This video will show you how to replace your rear plate light assembly on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your rear bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our rear tail lamp assembly. For this, we're going to have to make our way safely under the rear bumper. Now under the bumper, you're looking along each side and you should be able to find your plate light assembly. We want to start by disconnecting our electrical connector first. For this, I like to remove the entire connector from my assembly. Take hold of it, twist it counterclockwise. Once you have it removed, inspect the bulb. Confirm it's still in good usable order. This looks good, so we're going to set it aside. If you do need to replace the bulb, it's a 194 bulb. Just take hold of it, slide it out of position, replace it by sliding it back in. Now to remove the assembly itself from the rear bumper, you're going to find that you have two tabs. There's one here, and there's one on the opposite side. We can easily gain access to one, so let's go ahead and depress that and start pressing this out of the rear bumper. There we are. Now that it's moving, I'm reaching along the outboard side of the bumper cover and removing the assembly. Once you have the assembly out of the rear bumper, we need to clean and inspect the area. I'm just going to use a clean rag and some glass cleaner. Now it's time to install the assembly. We'll make sure we align it and have it in the proper orientation so the clear lens is facing towards where the license plate would be. Go ahead and line it up, press it in. Audible click from each side. We'll just give it a little tug, confirming it's properly secured. Now you need to make your way back underneath that rear bumper. Now that we're back underneath the rear bumper, we can start reattaching this. Now for this, it's going to be easiest if you look at the connector itself, find the locking tab, and aim that towards the rear bumper. That will be the alignment point. We're just going to gently twist until everything aligns, press it all the way in, and then lock it down. There we are. Double check to make sure that's secured in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.